Hey y'all, welcome to A Home to Love. We're going to start off this home tour as always on my front porch. Nothing much has changed out here except for the plants are really loving the humidity here in Georgia. My rockers that I refinished. Just a little grouping here. Still have the bunny and a candle and a little mister. And then I have my plant stand with my 2 lanterns that light up at night. And then the flooring's still holding up really great from where I painted it with that epoxy. And then the outdoor rug. Wreath is still the same because it's a hydrangea. I thought it could take me from spring all the way to summer. And here we go. I did change a couple things around. Sorry if I'm going a little fast for y'all. Take it a little slow. This is the front door. I moved that picture that was in the hallway that I thought the scale was a little big, so I moved it next to the hutch. And then swing a little bit around. Only thing that's kind of changed in the dining room is I reupholstered the dining room chairs, and that'll be coming up in the video when I do my summer redecorate my living room and dining room. That's in that portion of that video. Redid a little bit of this resetting of the tray. Added a few more baskets to the bookcases that I had moved from the guest room into here. And then, sorry guys, a little fast. Not much difference in my living room from the decorate with me, other than I changed up the coffee table setting and the end table settings. And that's what the fireplace looks like with the lights on it. I did not show that last time. I am seriously thinking about painting the fireplace. Let me know what you think. I could leave it white, or I thought maybe a dark charcoal gray would be pretty. Or a black. I'm just not really sure yet. And here's something brand new. It's my plate rack that we just completed this past weekend, this Memorial weekend. That'll be coming in an upcoming video. I will show you how I did it and how I decorated it. So we're entering the kitchen. For those that are new, welcome. This is my coffee bar here on the right side of my kitchen, if you're facing it. I did redo the vignette above my refrigerator. A little bit different above my spice rack. I also put something new above the freezer. And then I always kind of change this up a little bit on my countertops. That's the next video. You will come along and decorate with me in my kitchen and see how I did all this. I have some hooks up under there that also have some holes that I need to patch. And that's my very naughty cat that does not want to listen today. And the sink that I got for $25 with the faucet off of Facebook Market. This is where I removed, it was like one of those wooden apron kind of things. We removed that and I added a light. I am going to put cafe curtains. I'm going to sew them and I'm going to take you along and show you how to do that to add to more of my cottage feel in this kitchen. Oops, I did not turn the light there. New little vignette, I changed it up. I added a little light here in the kitchen. It gives a little ambiance, especially at night. You see the living room. Changed up over here from my utensils and my salt and pepper shaker. And the biggest change, I think, is my lighting video. If you didn't see that, we added a chandelier, which I just love. I think it just adds so much to this kitchen. Oh, one other thing that I did a little bit different is I added some wood appliques to my island. I have a video, I know it's a broken record, but I have a video coming up about that. Lots of videos, guys. So this is what my kitchen looks like right now for the summer. And like I said, next week will be the decorate with me in the kitchen. And I'll show you how I put all these little vignettes together. Next, we're gonna enter the laundry room. Since the laundry room, the hallway, and the guest room are recent redecorates or remakeovers, I am just gonna take the camera and just show you. Okay, we're going to enter into the master bathroom. Not much has changed on this side. I have the lights that I don't recommend. Twice they came and they were broken and I had to have them returned. And they're a pain if the light bulb goes out because it's like a glass with like 3 pins. Horrible design. I would not recommend them. I did change up the rug in here, and the vanity stool that was in my room, I moved in here and bought a new one for in my room because that one was, the welding kind of busted on it. So I'm gonna swing you around. Now, I did change up this side. I added a shelf with hooks instead of the artwork that was here. I added a couple of plates and this really cute little like tin plant holder that I got off of Amazon with some faux plant that kind of sweeps down. And the room feels bigger, it functions better, and it's still pretty. Okay, right, and in my bathroom, I changed out the curtain. I changed out the shower curtain. And the rug. And I did a short on these shelves that are above the toilet that are just not just for towels and toilet paper. It can be pretty too. So and anything that I can link will be down in the description box. Now we're entering the master. I just did this not too long ago in a video about changing out the style of my master bedroom from a modern farmhouse to more of a French country cottage feel. I changed this up quite a bit. And then not much different on the bed other than the throw blanket I changed out. The shelf above the bed's still the same. My antique desk that my parents had redone that I use as a nightstand. You can see all my cords there for my headphones. That picture that I got from Temu, I don't think it made it in the video, but this is what it looks like. It was so big I got to cut it in half, and that one that's by the front door is actually the other half of this. It was one giant like canvas poster. And then the curtains, still the same. I did change out my trash can to this old antique like bucket. And then new vanity stool. I think that bird is different that's on here. And then the TV that I use the screensaver from Creative TV on YouTube. And then that's up to the door. And then just, that's it. Other than the weird closet that's in here that's just extra storage. And instead of ending the video with a tour of my husband's office, which looks exactly the same as my spring tour, I thought I would give you a tour of my she shed, art studio, workspace that we redid I have a video. It was one of my very first videos here on YouTube, showing how we took the shed from, this is where the dollhouse sits, the flooring, my workstation, my sewing machines and books, my open shelving, my custom desk that my son built for me, and then my Cricut, and some extra decor and storage. This is what my workstation looks like on the other side. And then these cabinets were in here. I just repainted them. And then I sewed those curtains. Really nice ceiling fan. It's an outdoor ceiling fan that I highly recommend. And then that old dresser that someone turned into a sink that was in very bad shape, and I took it and refinished it. So y'all, thank you for coming along on my summer tour of 2024. Thank you for watching. Thank you for those that subscribe. Those that are subscribed, make sure that you turn on your notification bell, because sometimes I will post over in the community page, and if you don't have it turned to all, you won't get those to see those posts. Next week, we decorate in my kitchen. Thank you for watching.